Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to make a super lab in the material of MTCRF. I make the GRE tunnel and the routing OSPF and static. And I want to redistribute in the static and OSPF. So let's start. Okay, first like a basic configuration, add system identity, set name for name in the router, and add the IP address for the every ether. Okay, and the first is I want to make routing OSPF first in the left topology. I use I added the one switch in the routing SPF. So in the switch is I setting in the router one is bridge, and the switch is already on, and make the PC can have the IP from DHCP. Okay, we added the IP address. IP address. Okay, IP address from ether 1 and ether 2. I make the ether 1 is 10.10.10, and ether 2 is from the PC 172.60.10 and 0.0/24. And we add the OSPF instance, set null router ID 1.1.1.1, and the next router is 2.2.2. We add the network, OSPF network 10.10.10, and area is backbone. We add the network from 10.10.10 and IPPC same. And we add the bridge for the switch is on, and can bridge the IP. Okay. We add the name bridge 1 and add the port interface ether 2 and bridge 1, and add IP address, and interface is gateway bridge 1, and the interface is bridge 1. Okay, enter. Okay, after that we configuration again in the DHCP server to can connect in the ether to RPC and IPDH. Oh, I forgot to enter in this step. Okay, IPDH DORA. Okay, I get it. I get the IP DORA OSPF, and the second IPC can connect to IP DORA OSPF. Next to router 2, we added the IP address to every ether. I make to IP 10 and IP 20, and the same same prefix is 24. For is easily me for configuration, because I also forgot the prefix. Okay, next the routing OSPF instance, we add the router ID 2022 and the ID OSPF to the right interface enter and this and add the ping. Actually in here in the ether one to ke arah tunnel is not use OSPF, but in the next video, in the next minute, I change it to static routing. Okay, next we setting the tunnel router and static router. Static router is in the tunnel router too. Okay, because this have a bug and can connect. And power off, power on to connect again admin, and we add the IP address for every other target. Okay, we setting the system identity because the name is no bug. I have bug in the router this. Okay, basic configuration, add the address for the aggregator. I use ether 20 and the IP 174 172 and every VC IP, and at the instance set 0 router ID 3.20 and the network every network is 2020 and the 172 and the area is backbone. Okay, yet again. Now I want to test this ping. Okay, connected. Okay, connected to the router 1 and 2 and every router is connected, but I have the problem in the next. Okay, next we to static route at the IP, the ST address and the gateway. Actually, and this is 0. Okay. Again to okay, I do the IP for checking the ping. HLS 724 and ping. Okay, timeout LTO because my configuration is not good. I want to solve this. Okay, redistribute static for menyambungkan routing static and routing dynamic routing. Okay, timeout because R2 is must have routing static and routing SPF, not routing SPF into R3 router V3. Yeah, to SPF network again. Okay, routing SPF network print and and this is the right configuration. Okay, routing OSPF network, print and remove the one to arah router 3 because the router 2 is placed for the radius reboot, static and dynamic. Ini IP route address to arah router PC to PC in the tunnel and at the gateway in the router 3. Okay, checking the IP. Okay, good. Okay, static is not connected. If the static is active, the number key, the icon is ANS or active static. So in this time, I think I have a problem in the routing static. Okay, I routing static again. 10 and the gateway 20. I don't 22. And IP route at destination address to PC PC3 PC router 3 at the gateway is 10 20 2 enter. Okay, it's already. Next, we check the ping in the PC. We check the ping. PC IP 10 to ping in the IP 20 is not reachable because the router 2 is not oh yeah. Okay, successful to ping. I my mistake to write wrong right. Okay, so SPF can ping to static route, and the status is AS or active static and active dynamic. Okay, next, static and dynamic is connected. Next, we make the tunnel GRA. Okay, interface GRA local address is the IP for DHCP client in the router 3, and the remote address is from DHCP client for the IP R router 4 and the router. Okay, we add the local address and the remote address. Okay, same but in the reverse IP. In this router 4, the local address is in the last IP is 160 or 61, I forgot it. and the point is reverse from router 3. Okay, we add the tunnel. I add the IP same for every ether. Okay. Okay, same again. With remote address, local address 160 116. And the interface at local address okay. After that okay, next to the router 3 we add the IP address 1 and the network is 2.2 and the interface is Gare. Okay, same to the router 4 and the reverse IP reverse. Okay, and the router 3 is 1.1.1 and this is 2.2.2 and the network is 1.1.1 and same interface in the gear tunnel. Okay. Okay, we add the routing static to the PC and this IP is IP30 and the router 3 is IP20 for PC. We add the slash 24 and the gateway is 1.1.1 and same in the reverse IP route at destination address and IP for IPR4 is 30 at slash 24 at the gateway is 2.2.2. Okay, next we add the IP to every PC and we show IP to check it the IP slash 24 at the IP again at the gateway. Enter. Okay, we show IP to check it and I ping to the PC tunnel in the R4 in the right PC and I want to trace it in the last. Okay, we ping into PC5 to PC4 router PC4 and ping to PC router 3. Okay, we ping it and can connect to the different configuration in the USF routing because we have to setting the distribute static. Okay, whipping. Okay, I forgot it. Ping do 22. Why is unreachable? Because I setting to not connected into router 4. Okay, we can tracing. Okay, whipping again to tunneling. Okay, we trace. We trace to that IP. Okay, the result is I have 20 is the IP for tunneling area tunnel. Okay, the configuration is already, and the point is I make the configuration OSPF, static root, distribute static, and tunneling gear. So in the case we can connect to every routing, but not the router 4. And I think router 4 is different company in the different building, so I'm not too connected into others configuration. But in the router 3 and router 1 and router 2 is can connected. Router 1, 2, 3 is can connected, but router 4 is different, is not connected, just connected in the router 3. And that's all for me. Thank you. This is in the material empty series super late. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.